Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Let me just start with implementing the necessary libraries. Dear friends, of course, we have already seen this in the previous session, as importing the NumPy, SkyPy. Of course, here we are using SkyPy for null space function, and we have imported that matplotlib and warnings, of course, to suppress all warning messages. And we have also used this parameter, that is a configuration parameter using with dictionary for default size and transparency and of course the size of the font. Okay, so let just make use of this print function, and let I just display the exact or execute that exact import functionalities. Dear friends, when I'm just discussing about this determinant, yes, determinant is a single number associated with the square matrix. Okay, so it has two important properties. That is, yeah, to the same thing. Yes, define. It defined only for square matrix, and second one, yes, equals 0 for singular. Okay, equals 0 for singular in the sense rank deficient matrix, and when coming for non-zero, okay, for full matrix. Kindly just keep it in mind. So this is what the main two properties when you just go towards this determinant. Okay, and here let me just give this 2 into 2 formula, and here I have to specify one thing, and we have a standard equation. Dear friends, kindly just see here. Here, before going on to this resultant, diagonal product minus of diagonal product. That is, for larger matrix, computation becomes rapidly more complex. Okay, so here I am just going to specify only n into n. So here, if we just go into 2 into 2 matrix, we are just going to have the diagonal matrix minus off diagonal. So here diagonal, here it is AD minus BC. So this is what the exact determinant standard formula. Okay, so let me just discuss that by using code here. Okay, so here we have our matrix A. So we are defining a matrix A as like 3, 7 and 1 and 4. Okay, so 3, 7, 1, 4. Okay, so this is what our matrix. We are going to compute the determinant manually by using a formula. So formula is in the sense, of course, kindly just observe, dear friends. This one we have, so determinant of A, which is equal to AD minus BC. So here 3 into 4 minus 7 into 1, which is equal to 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5. Okay, so here we are just going to compute the determinant using NumPy functionality, that is NumPy built-in function, and let me just print the matrix in list format, and let me display the manual computation step by step. And let me have a singular matrix. Of course, we have already said where the determinant is equal to 0. So we just have our matrix yes, which has the content as like 2, 4 and 1, 2. Okay, yes, which is equal to 2, 1, 4 and 2. So yes, of course, row 2, which is equal to 0.5 times row 1. Yeah, of course, it is linearly dependent. And yeah, let me just print that exact matrix also. And let me check whether it is a singularity or not. 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1, which is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes, it confirms the singularity. Okay, next we have a 3 into 3 determinant. Kindly just observe. So this one we have a matrix, and we are going to print the matrix, and let me compute the determinant by using the NumPy. And let me just have the rank of the matrix, and kindly just see here as we have computation involves this cofactor expansion. So kindly just be aware here the rank it would be 3. So as it is a 3 into 3 matrix, it is a rank is 3, so fully rank, and of course determinant would not be equal to 0. Okay, so let me just execute and kindly observe. So here this is what our matrix, as I have already specified. We have evaluated this one. So yeah, what we just got is right. And next one, we just gone towards this singular matrix, and there also what we just got, yeah, we have got it. And kindly just see here, dear friends, when we just go on towards this determinant of matrix, if it is not equal to 0, matrix is invertible, and if it is 0, yes, matrix is singular. So rank deficient. And when on just making towards this one, kindly observe here we have the exact determinant which it just specified, tells us whether a matrix preserves volume or collapse space. So here 0 determinant means loss of dimension and loss of invertibility. So when on coming, if it is not equal to 0, yes, it is secured. Okay, so that is what, that is preserved, that is what. Okay, so yes, let me just move something important with this determinant. Let me have the rank relationship. Okay, so let me discuss something with rank relationship, and before going on to that, I just want to specify one thing, dear friends, when on just making towards rank. So if any column is linearly combination of another column, so here we have, so determinant is equal to 0, and we just take some 2 into 2 matrix in such a case. So how it happens? So previously we have one thing. So if we just go for determinant of A, and if it has a matrix A, B and CD, of course we already specified. So AD minus CB, that is what the exact determinant equals. Okay, but here when we just go towards linear dependency, kindly just observe. So here when we just go towards the determinant of A, and here lambda A and C lambda C, so it just gives us A multiple of lambda C minus C multiple of lambda A. So here, which is equal to A lambda C minus A lambda C, which is 0. Got it? So this is what here specifying whether it is linear dependency or not. Okay, yeah, that is what. Let me just discuss it with an example, with a code. And here I just want to have some take some test matrices. Okay, so each pad with descriptive labels. So I am just going to have some examples of matrix. Okay, for test cases. Okay, and kindly just observe 2 into 2 matrix. So rank will be 2, and if it is a linear dependence, I have to check with any dependency yes or no. So 1 second, dear friends, let me just have this. So this one matrix A, it is 2, 6, 1, 3. Of course here row 2, which is equal to 0.5 into row 1. So surely rank is equal to 1, and of course determinant is equal to 0. Yes, this is what our 2 into 2 matrix. And yeah, when we just go for this 3 into 3 matrix, what we have is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 and 1, 0, 1. So here, of course, dear friends, kindly just have this one row 2, which is equal to 2 into row 1. We are also getting the same here. Okay, so one redundant direction is specified, and of course rank is equal to 2. Okay, let me just take 4 into 4 matrix here. 4 into 4 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Okay, so here what we have kindly just observe Yes, one row is dependent, and here, yes, we have rank is equal to 3 and it is not a full rank. And finally, when we just have the last one, kindly just to see, there is 3 into 3 full rank. So 1, 2, 3, so it is a full rank. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 0. Okay, so here all rows are independent and determinant should not be 0. So here it should be a non-zero. That is what. Okay, so let me just discuss this. And here I just want to have an tabular model. So it's just going to have the heading as like matrix, rank or determinant, and whether it is a singular or not. Okay, and with a separator. So let me just take a loop, and it just iterates each matrix here, and it's just going to compute the rank, it's going to compute the determinant, and it's just going to check whether the determinant is effective 0 or not. Okay, and last it's just going to print the result in a formatted table, and let I just execute and kindly see here. When on just checking towards 1, okay, the code verifies that fundamental relationship to be determinant which is equal to 0, and here always the rank A is less than n. Here it is 2 into 2 and we get rank 1. It is 3 into 3 and here we just get rank 2, and 4 into 4 the rank is 3. So what it just says? Yes, according to this, determinant of A which is equal to 0, and yeah, that implies rank of A less than the number of, that is rank. And to be here, dear friends, as I have already specified, rank deficient matrix, so determinant is 0, 0, 0, and here we have a full matrix, so determinant it is not 0, that is 1. Okay, let I just summarize what we have just discussed in this session. So dear friends, this exact session introduced the concept that transform matrices from simple array of numbers into powerful structures with deep mathematical meaning. Determinant, yes dear friends, determinant of A is 0 for singular matrix and non-zero for full matrix. So it is defined only for, kindly just observe, it is only defined for square matrix and is computed as like a diagonal of matrix minus off diagonal matrix. Okay, so for 2 into 2 matrix here I have already specified. I think so this session would be helpful for you. So like this video, share it with some other who just start or interest on learning machine learning or generative AI, and subscribe dear friends. So see you in the next session. Happy learning dear friends.